Today, I'm going to show you how to make a striking silhouette using Photoshop 2025, even if you're not a design expert. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform a basic photo into a creative, eye-catching silhouette effect that you can use for social media graphics, posters, or just for fun. Let's jump right in. First up, I've already got an image here. It's a shadowy photo of a girl, which is perfect for this effect. If you're following along, try to pick a photo where the main subject has a clear, recognizable outline. It really helps to make the silhouette stand out. Now, to start building our silhouette, we need to duplicate the image of the girl. In Photoshop, just right-click on your layer over in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Layer. What this does is creates a copy of your original, so you can freely edit and experiment without risking your source image. It may seem like a small step, but it's a lifesaver if you need to backtrack later. Next, it's time to add in another image. This is where you get to be a bit creative. You could use a landscape, a galaxy, a vibrant pattern, really anything you want to fill the silhouette with. Drag and drop your chosen image into your Photoshop project and position it so that it's sitting above your duplicated girl layer in the Layers panel. For the best effect, try to place the tip of the second image, maybe the most interesting part, right at the tip of the girl's figure. This will make sure the focal point of your fill lines up with the silhouette itself. Now, here comes the magic. We need to blend these two images together to create that iconic silhouette look. Select your top image and head over to the blend modes right at the top of the Layers panel. This is a powerful feature in Photoshop that controls how different layers interact visually. Scroll through the blend modes. You'll see options like Multiply Screen Overlay. What you want to look for is a mode that turns the shape of the girl into a solid black or dark form, letting your new image shine through only within her shape. For most silhouettes, Multiply or Darken will give you that classic shadowy outline, but if you're going for a high contrast look, try Overlay or Hard Light. Don't be afraid to click through and preview each one to see which fits your image best. This part is all about personal style. Once you're happy with the silhouette effect, it's time to tidy things up and really make the subject pop. We want to remove the original background around the girl so that only her silhouette, filled with your chosen image, remains. To do this, grab the Quick Selection tool or the magic wand from the toolbar and click on the background surrounding the girl to select it. If Photoshop grabs a little too much or too little, use the Add or Subtract selection options to refine your edges. When you've got the background neatly selected, hit Delete or add a layer mask to hide it non-destructively. Take your time here, a clean cutout makes all the difference. And there you have it, a custom silhouette in Photoshop 2025, personalized with any image you like. Feel free to play around with different images and blend modes for unique results. If something doesn't look quite right the first time, remember, Photoshop is all about experimenting and iterating. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel out. And if you have any questions, or if you want to share how your silhouette turned out, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Make sure to subscribe if you want more step-by-step Photoshop guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.